The Vital Signs monitor is a progressive monitor which monitors patients 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It allows healthcare professionals to monitor trends within a patient's condition. It allows us to continuously monitor their pulse, their respirations, and their body motion.
It helps us prevent falls. It helps us prevent bed sores, and it provides an early warning system to let us know when there's been a subtle change in the patient's breathing. It automatically documents the vital signs. And what this does for our nursing staff is allow them to spend more time at the bedside where they can focus on the patient.
We've noticed a great improvement in our patient care since we've had these monitors in both the heart care and the ICU unit. By detecting early clinical deterioration in the patient, we are able to intervene in the patient, thus improving patient outcomes, but also decreasing patient hospital stay and decreasing hospital costs.
Our patients today are patients that used to be in our ICUs. So our patients are sicker today, and our patients need more technical clinical monitoring. Identifying problems early, having the technology and equipment to help nurses identify those things can help save lives.
This monitoring system is a system that is a necessity for the hospital. It is not a luxury, it is something that will enhance patient care and patient safety.
We've done our research, and we know this technology will help improve outcomes at Southern Ohio Medical Center. It means a lot to me that we can provide the best care for our families of this community, and this technology will help us do that.
By opening up your hearts and supporting this project, you become a part of our team at Southern Ohio Medical Center. You can make a difference to your family, to your neighbors, and to your friends, and you will ultimately help save lives in this community.